Asubuhi njema popote ulipo mtazamaji na msikilizaji wa The FM Show KE. Na kwa sasa ni kisa ambacho kimewaacha wengi wakiongea katika mitandao ya kijamii baada ya taarifa kugonga vyombo vya habari ya kwamba mshukiwa mkuu katika mauaji ya Kware ambayo yalitambulikana kama The Kware Massacre ama ukipenda yaite mauaji ya kikatili ya Collins Jumaisi Kalusa. Jumaisi Kalusa was the main suspect in the murder of at least 42 women whose bodies were dumped in the Kware area of Embakasi, and he is said to have escaped from Nairobi's Gingiri police station today. According to a police report obtained by different media stations, the suspect escaped with 12 other Eritreans who had been detained at the station for illegal immigration. On Tuesday, at around 5 a.m., the officer in charge, Police Constable Gerard Mutuku, made routine visit to the cells with the canteen manager to serve breakfast to the suspects. When they opened the cell door, they were shocked to discover that the 13 suspect that had escaped by cutting the wire mesh at the Basking Bay. Kalusa was in the cell waiting to be arraigned in court for the plea hearing. The sub-county police commander, sub-county criminal investigation officer, and duty officer Gingiri visited the scene and have since launched investigation to locate the suspects. The suspect made a headline after confessing to killing at least 42 women, which we can say he alleged confessed to killing 42 women and dumping their bodies in Kware from 2022 to 2024. He claimed that his first victim was his wife, who he strangled to death and also dumped her remains at the dump site. Now, the suspect later claimed that the police tortured him and forced him to confess to the murders. The question is, how did he escape from police custody? Because we all know the games that you officers are playing with us. We want the truth. We want the truth. We want the truth. And we really want the truth. The Kware murders were calmed by this arrest, which we suspected was a gameplay. Now you are telling us that your main suspect amepa jela. Mwache kutubeba ufogodho. Mwache kutubeba ubwakni. Tunaelewana? Maafisa wa polisi tunataka Collins. Na I dare you. Collins might disappear forever and cannot be traced again. You tell me that somebody who escaped the wrath of the law for 3 years while he is believed to be killing women every week, jamaa mtampata hivi. Alipotea, alikuwa amejificha kama yeye ndiye exactly alikuwa anauana. Alikuwa anajificha. This man was supposed even to be in shackles while he is in prison. Unatuambia how did he get out of his cell and then made it to the mesh, mali ambapo walikata wire mesh, alafu wakaruka, and apart from kukata wire mesh, they made it out through by jumping over the wall. How did they? Mwache kutubeba ujinga bwana. Mwache kutubeba ujinga. That's what's up. Make sure una subscribe. See you in our next video.